We're facing the twin crises of climate change and biodiversity loss. We're losing whole ecosystems.
We've created this problem. What are we going to do about it?
Native seed, when used in restoration, are a nature-based solution that can help us tackle climate change and biodiversity loss.
We have estimated that we need 1.9 billion tons of seed to do that restoration. We need to get the right seed in the right place at the right time.
The native seed supply chain is essentially the steps or the process it takes for seed collection from the wild all the way to seeding at a restoration site.
Okay, I see your seed.
Seeds are amazing. These are not dead things. These are living organisms. They are breathing.
Native seeds are important because without them, we wouldn't have the base of the food chain.
I learned to fall in love with this job and everything that it stands for. Just the fact that we help to restore burnt down areas.
It's challenging to farm a plant when you're trying to retain these wild qualities. For harvesting native seeds, you have to adapt a lot of machinery that exists and build stuff that doesn't. And it's neat and weird, and I like that.
Having native seed is not as easy as getting a bag of seed from the hardware store.
When we go and do restoration work, it's hard to get seed. We're really in our infancy of figuring out how to even do what we do.
Why it's worth developing the native seed supply chain, I think our very existence depends upon this.
If we don't have seed, we don't have a chance to even start the process of restoration.
Seeds, are contributing to the most important element that keep the human being alive.